What's the difference between seeing weight loss results and struggling to see weight loss results? Well, it could be the spices you use. So there's a common cooking spice that I beg you to add to your daily routine right away, and the reason is simple. This one cooking spice blocks your fat cells from attaching to what I call the obesity protein, because this obesity protein is basically causing you to not get in shape. The best way to burn fat is with more fat. And I'm being serious because there's actually two different types of fat in your body. One is white fat, and that's probably hanging out on your belly right now. It's extremely hard to get rid of. And then there's a lesser known type of fat called brown fat. And this is the type of fat that literally eats up your stubborn, annoying white fat like Pac-Man. And researchers have actually discovered that adults have much less active brown fat on their bodies, which is why we're not all walking around skinny. But they also discovered a way to activate this brown fat so that you can actually crank up your metabolism and start eating the foods that you love without gaining a bunch of weight. And there's actually new ways out that you can actually turn white fat in your body into brown fat so that your body can actually use it as fuel. You're using your body fat to fuel your body for energy. And this is why I tell my clients the number one way to lose weight is by following something that's sustainable. It's got to be easy to start, it's got to be easy to stick to, and it's got to work. And obviously this relates to working out and eating a balanced diet, but there's another piece of the puzzle that almost nobody talks about because the research on it is so groundbreaking. There's one cooking spice that I beg you to add to your meals starting today, because this one cooking spice blocks what's known as the obesity protein, and the obesity protein basically attaches to your fat cells and helps them expand so that you become larger and larger. And this is why you feel yourself getting more out of shape even when you do try dieting and exercising. And what's cool is scientists have just discovered that this one protein, or this one ingredient, when combined with one other ingredient, increases the absorption by over 2,000%, so that you can actually get the effects of a faster metabolism and getting results a lot easier. And most people don't take advantage of this and don't realize it's one of the most powerful weight loss weapons out there. Most people overtrain in the gym, they follow super strict diets, and they do a bunch of cardio that actually kills their metabolism, and they focus on starvation diets and diets that aren't sustainable, while a moderate workout program and a healthy, sustainable diet is definitely good. The nuclear bomb for weight loss is adding certain foods that have an insanely high thermic effect that just obliterate fat. And you can start eating it every single day so that you can crank up your metabolism and start losing weight just with a cooking spice. And so this one spice is where it comes into play, is it can actually block this obesity protein so that you can actually release this fat from your cells and actually start getting in shape and start burning fat and start losing weight easier than you ever have. When I found out about this, I obviously like helping people get in shape. You've probably seen me before, and this is something that has really helped my clients more than anything else. And it's super easy to do. It's a spice that's probably sitting in your cabinet right now. And if you want to find out what it is, I made a free video presentation showing you what it is, telling you all about it, how it works, and how you can use it in its most effective form to start getting in shape. So if you want to find out, hit that link below right now, and I'd love to show you.